What's up, guys? Rob here. About to do part 2 for the Ford F100. There's a few things that might have been, left out, and I'm kind of working that out. It's kind of the first video, so it's a little iffy, but about to give you some more good information, a few little tips, and some other things, cool little tricks I did on, making the truck a little lower, and different things you can do, and you might be able to do on, other vehicles to get the same outcome of like lowering and whatever you're doing. And there'll be some special thanks, different thanks in this video. Getting a lot of help from Fraser Metalworks. There, you got some good guys down there. Ben Fraser, he's an awesome guy. He's helped me out with the C-notching in the frame. And definitely thank Chris, my buddy, my partner, who's helped me do a lot of this work, and there's a few other friends that I'll thank in the description. They've been, definitely good help, moving the bed, holding things in place for me and all that good stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy this part 2, and keep sending the likes.
Here we are. We're taking the leaf spring bracket here. We're gonna grind off these rivets here. We're gonna grind them down so that we can get the bracket off. Then we're gonna scoot the bracket up. So as you can see, it hangs. I'm not sure if you can see that. It hangs way down. So we're pretty much just gonna take, this bottom rim and put it flush with the frame so that we can get that extra 2 inches of drop without going and buying any more blocks and just stacking tons of blocks. So yeah, cut those off, and then we'll move it up, and then once it's sitting up here, we'll hack level with the frame the wings there, and it'll be extra low. So there's the new leaf mount. It's looking kind of slick. I'll hold up the old one. So the old one would have sat like, let me get back there, way down like that, and then we moved her up, chopped the wings. Now she looks like that. Pretty slick. What's up, guys? Another little part of the lowering process, since the bed's off, and I've been kind of showing you guys like a little on those the leaf mounts, the brackets that I moved up and welded and cut so that it will lower it more. I have these shackles. They came off my Jeep. They are lifting shackles, but since the Ford has the upside down shackles, these will lower the Ford about 2 inches. And I got them at Cut Rate Auto Parts. They were like 54 bucks. They're actually really nice, pretty well built. Definitely not like top of the line brand, but they're actually pretty nice. Surprisingly pretty sweet. I will go outside now in the rain. The reason why I'm in the shop right now is because it's raining, but I'll go outside and kind of show you a little side by side of the old shackles and the new shackle. See, there's where the shackle will sit in. There's the old shackle. There's the new shackle. So there's about a 2. Raining, but figured I'd make another video for the old Ford. I got both the leaf mounts fabbed up, moved up and welded. They're looking pretty good. Got them painted to protect them from the rust, the rain. But yeah, so frame's all welded together, and so it's put together, pretty much done. Not all the way done. Still got stuff to clean and paint, and I'm in the middle of preparing to notch the frame. If you don't know what that is, it's to where, because the axle, if it gets so low, it'll just hit right here, and what we're going to do is eliminate from here to here, but we're going to build a taller bridge so that the axle can sit up in the frame. And of course we'll have to cut out a section of the bed so that the axle can sit up in the bed. But yeah, that part's slowly coming together. What's up guys, this is our shop commercial for our video. We have some welding wire here. I'll come in close. It's going to be backwards because it's on the face camera, but this stuff, it's called, it's like phony or forny or something like that. I can't really understand that top writing, but this stuff, you see this label, it's a flux core, it's .035 flux core, mild steel wire. This stuff is the greatest. I recently got some stuff from Napa. It's called Firepower. Do not ever get that stuff. It sucks. I burn this at about 6 speed, all the way turned up, and I mean, it just rips. It gets really nice welds, really clean, really good looking. And that Firepower stuff is garbage. Do not ever get that. Don't get it from Napa. Don't get it from anywhere, because it sucks. This stuff right here, use it up, because you will be satisfied. I've been using this stuff for years. Never had problems with it. My dad uses this stuff in his gas welder. Obviously not flux core, you know, the gas wire, but same brand, always works awesome. Yeah, buy this stuff, not Firepower. Starting the notching of the frame, we decided to go a little different route than what we were going to do, but we just kind of cut the frame, moved that section up. This side looks ghetto right now just because it's not being finished just yet, but this side is coming close, and that's what we're doing to make it look all solid like and actually be solid. But yeah, so that's kind of how we're doing it. We're going to do that all the way around, weld inside and out, and do it up. We got the axle just kind of sitting in there for now, but the notching's all put together. I'll get a better view of it when I get the axle back out of there, but as you can see, it just dumped the rear end. I mean, you know, got the shackles on there, the new shackles, and the axle's pretty much touching the frame, but I still have stuff to cut out of here so that I can actually have some travel room. But yeah, it is just slammed, absolutely slammed. It's beautiful. Guys, that's it for our part 2. Once we get a little more moving on it, a little more cutting out of the C-notch and welding some stuff in there so the axle can come up a little more, have some room for travel. You know, we're going to do a couple more things, you know, swapping the front end to the Crown Vic front end so there's better suspension in the front for more lowering and just a better style of suspension. Cutting and cleaning some of the stuff in the back for, you know, just kind of making it look nicer, grinding and painting and all that stuff, and then you know, obviously mounting the bed on there and cutting some more out of the bed so that the axle and the wheels and stuff will fit up in the bed, and you know, lots of more good stuff. Anyway, you guys have a good day, and